was ThattBoiOd. So you know what I just peeped? I'm driving around and I see CarMax. Yeah, y'all already know what I'm thinking. So we about to go there right now. I'll see y'all when we get there. Yo, so we at CarMax right now. How much y'all think they about to give me for this car? I say around 40 sign. I say 40, 45, 45, yeah, 45 is my answer. I'm gonna try to bring y'all with me. So let's see how this shit goes. Baby, yo. Put my mask on. This mask 2021. Da da da. Da da da. Alright, let's go.
You got it? Got it?
Alright, thank you. We're going. Yeah, so I'm thinking about selling my car, but I'm trying to see how much my car is.
You want to get an appraisal on your vehicle?
Yeah.
Sure. You didn't have an appointment?
No,
You're just walking in? No worries,
yeah.
man. What I'll do is I'll get you checked in, so I can get somebody over to assist you with an appraisal process.
Alright.
What was your first name?
O'Doyle.
And what kind of vehicle are you getting appraisal on?
2020 Dodge Challenger.
So it'll be just a little bit until I get somebody over to you,
right.
But I should have a couple of assistants spring up here. As soon as I have them spring up, we'll go over and pick you up and we'll bring you over to that, get your information entered in and start the process.
Alright, appreciate it.
You want to hang over there? We'll get you as soon as we can, okay?
Alright. See how this shit goes. Damn, it wasn't even recording. But he's looking at the car now. Looking at the hood. Looking at the hood, the modifications that are done to it. How much y'all think he might have given me for it though? He gonna give me, you're taking pictures. I've been here for like 10 minutes. Been here for like 10 minutes. It's going by quick though. We're gonna see how much they offer me. So when we get more information, I'll flip y'all back up. Alright.
These are the features that comes with the vehicle. This is the overall condition of the vehicle. OK being the highest at CarMax rate. The vehicle is of course in great condition. And the vehicle is 1 year old. No accident reported. One owner being you. The unit is a personal vehicle. So CarMax is willing to offer you $37,000. Okay, what do you think?
Low, cause when I did Kelly Blue Book, they said like 40 something. But I already knew when you leave off the dealership that your car.
Yeah, the car depreciates.
Right.
And then also, see Kelly Blue Book, they only do like just a generic. They don't take into consideration like the market demand, where it's located. Like up here, SUV, trucks, stuff like that holds the value better because being upstate New York with snow and everything else.
And now a dealer's trying to go into remove cars and get trucks more. So
right, and then also once the car's been modified, it does depreciate the value.
It does.
Yes. That's why for me, I have like an Evo 10. I cannot sell that to the dealership.
For real.
Because they will put it real low. One thing about it, once it's been modified, they cannot sell to the public. It has to go to an auction.
2 hours later.
So cars like this, a lot of times you gotta go to an enthusiast. If you want to start modifying it, you gotta sell to other people that like the modification.
Yeah, third party type.
Correct, because you already put investment money into it.
Right.
You know.
Okay.
So that's one thing I learned. But let's now, if you would have traded in, then you have another $2,960 towards your tax savings.
Tax savings.
Yep.
Okay, so that goes into the 37 or?
No, that's if you trade it in.
Oh.
Okay, you just sell to a
to buy a car from y'all.
Yeah.
Okay. Makes sense.
Well, let me print this out for you.
All right.
Yeah, once you go out the door,
Yeah, it's over. Yeah, because I checked right after I bought it, it went down like 20. I'm like, damn.
Yeah.
But I already expected that, but damn, that's a lot. 20? Well.
Yep, unless it's like a truck. Truck holds value pretty
Right.
well.
Yeah, definitely. I believe it. 37. Oh, man, Super 10s.
Yeah.
Super 10s and Outlaws. Thank you, man.
Hey, thank you.
You're welcome. I can leave this way, right?
Yeah, you can leave this way.
All right, man. Enjoy your day.
All right, thanks.
You're welcome. Y'all, so they gave me 37. That's under what I said. That's under what I said. I ain't gonna hold you. I thought it was gonna give me more than that, but they gave me 37. So 37 on a $54,000 car. That's crazy. But yeah, let's run these streets now. Fuck it. Let's run these streets heading to 5 and Below. If y'all don't know what 5 and Below is, it's a store. It's a store like Walmart, but everything in that bitch costs $5. $5, and they got mounts and shit like that. So we about to go there and go get one. I'm gonna try to take y'all with me. I'm driving on the highway and shit like that. But it's gonna be hard since I do not have a mount. Phone mount, camera mount, none of that. So. Yeah, what y'all think though on the appraisal? 37? 37? We got no light. 37 though. That's crazy. That's crazy. I wouldn't even believe that. Go back from the appraisal. 37. Crazy. What I got from 5 and Below is this magnet mount, phone mount. So that was like $5.40 something. So it comes with this little magnet right here and the magnet that you put in your vents. And then all you gotta do is bang. And it's perfect too, because look how it angled right to the driver's seat. Yeah, right to the driver's seat. That would be the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Please share, subscribe, and like. That way.